blonde is right there?
No, there's him.
When I first turned and saw him, all I could see was a blue. All I could see was a blue head. Ah! They were 10 yards. Dude, double beard. I think it is. I can't tell. We could probably could have got him come in a little closer, honestly, but he's being really cautious on that night. Dude, I think if we would have had that gun, the Jake decoy, he'd have came in and whipped it.
Yeah, but you never know if you're going to get a dominant bird.
Tell the story to the camera. Well, as you can see...
Is that a triple beard? That's a triple beard.
I just killed my first triple beard, long beard. Got me and my good friend here, McLean. We are in Ozark, Alabama. I hit the owl hooter and he hammered
75 yards.
75 yards from us. All we had done, we sat down right where we were in the road, and he probably gobbled 20 or so times, and then he came in and that was the end of it. So we're going to see.
That's probably the biggest bird you ever killed, isn't it?
This is the biggest bird I've ever killed. So we're going to see if we can't go get another one while it's early.
It's bigger than any bird I've ever killed, dude. We got to go enter that in the fucker.